From a regulatory perspective, alternative and rapid methods have been encouraged to be used. Okay? And this includes in the US, in Europe, in Asia Pacific, even in Latin America countries. The regulators would like to see these types of technologies in place because we can react a lot faster when there is a contamination event, and of course this is going to help us to get the drug product out to those patients who need it the most.
On the SA25, there are various different monitoring methods. Some of them are traditional growth-based methods like passive monitoring or active viable air monitoring. They're familiar to our customers and they are accepted by regulatory bodies, but they are limited and they are delayed because you have to wait for several days for results. So we have recently implemented newer technologies such as biofluorescent particle counters. These have increased sensitivity and they allow real-time detection of viable and non-viable contamination. And that allows our customers to implement corrective actions immediately. Regulatory guidance is constantly changing and there's always updated expectations. One of the most recent updates have been to EU Annex 1. One of the ways the SA25 reaches that is by providing airflow control. So the airflow inside the isolator is fully configurable to meet the specification, which is usually around 0.36 meters per second to 0.54 meters per second. And we of course help our customers by optimizing that airflow and recommending default parameters to really help them with qualification and streamlining their GMP readiness.
Because we have a closed isolator, that isolator helps protect and maintain the environmental protection inside the isolator. We have airflow within the isolator protecting and flowing over the product. We have controls that prevent the operator, which is the greatest risk to the product, that prevents them from going in and making any mistakes or contamination risk within the isolator. So all of that maintains that flow, maintains the protection, and ensures that the product is safe.
It's a great time to move forward. The technologies are now coming together. They are available. They are accepted by the regulatory agencies. We obviously have a little work to do to demonstrate comparability, but this is not an unsurmountable task. So now is the time to put these systems in place.